Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 C4 600. We just installed that new rear cargo box on the back. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how it fits and how it looks. The best part about this, not only does it look good, the functionality's there, and the install is super easy. You can take this on and off in a minute or less. All you're gonna do is take this knob right here, turn it like that. This device is gonna pop out. There's another one on the other side and two more in the back. Once you undo the front ones, you're just gonna simply grab onto the box and it's gonna slide out right here to access the other two. And that's it, you are done to add or remove the box. It's huge on the inside. You're gonna be able to put all your cargo in there and keep it out of the elements. No holes to drill. No way dust can come and get up inside. You do have that nice seal along the top. Very nice. Great job from CFMOTO. They're coming out with more accessories all the time. You're gonna be sure and see it here first. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.